Mars, the red planet. Science goals of the mission. 1. Goal 1 is life. 2. Goal 2 is climate. 3. Goal 3 is geology. 4. Goal 4 is human. Science goals. The Mars Exploration Program studies Mars as a planetary system in order to understand the formation and early evolution of Mars as a planet, the history of geological processes that have shaped Mars through time, the potential for Mars to have hosted life, and the future exploration of Mars by humans. The strategy has evolved as we have learned more about Mars and as more questions have arisen. We have gone from follow the water to explore habitability to seek signs of life. Goal 1, life. Goal 1 is predicated on the idea that Mars and Earth may have been relatively similar worlds during their early histories, and as life arose relatively early on the Earth, whether life ever arose on Mars is a key question. This goal is further divided into 2 objectives. A. Determine if environments having high potential for prior habitability and preservation of biosignatures contain evidence of past life, and B. Determine if environments with high potential for current habitability and expression of biosignatures contain evidence of extant life. Goal 2. Climate. Goal 2 concerns fundamental questions about how the climate of Mars has evolved over time to reach the current state, the processes that have operated to produce this evolution, and whether the Martian atmosphere and climate reflect features that are universal to planetary atmospheres. This goal is further divided into 3 objectives. A. Characterize the state of the present climate of Mars' atmosphere and surrounding plasma environment, and the underlying processes, under the current orbital configuration. B. Characterize the history of Mars' climate in the recent past, and the underlying processes, under different orbital configurations. And C. Characterize Mars' ancient climate and underlying processes. Goal 3. Geology. Goal 3 seeks insight into the composition, structure, and history of Mars as a planet, through a deeper understanding of its surface and interior. Goal 4, human. Goal 4 encompasses how robotic flight missions can help prepare for potential crewed missions, or sets of missions, to the Mars system, and how these precursors can buy down risk that is inherent to any mission by acquiring precursor information that can be acted upon during design, implementation and operation of these future missions. This goal is further divided into 4 objectives. A. Obtain knowledge of Mars sufficient to design and implement a human mission to Mars orbit with acceptable cost, risk, and performance. B. Obtain knowledge of Mars for sustained human presence.